What's the meaning of billfold? Billfold. Billfold.
Billfold. Billfold. A billfold is a small, folding wallet used to carry cash, credit cards, identification documents, and other personal items. The name likely derives from the fact that it was originally designed to hold paper currency, or bills, and it folds in half, making it easy to fit into a pocket or purse. Billfolds are often made from leather, and may have various compartments for organizing items such as coins or receipts. They come in many styles and sizes, from simple designs to more elaborate ones with multiple pockets and closures. Overall, a billfold is a practical and convenient accessory for anyone who wants to keep their personal items organized and easily accessible.